using paper to take notes more or less sustainable than using electronics? And how can we use math to make answering this possible? For a start, let's look at the resources required for paper. On average, one tree can make roughly 62 books. Conifers and eucalypts are the most commonly used trees. On average, 2.3 trees are used for the whole of high school for one student, which would mean that a class of 32 students would use 73.6 trees. On the other hand, we should compare the above to the materials used by an electronic device. Tablets are created using a variety of finite resources, such as aluminium, silicon, plastic, polycarbonate, glass, lithium-ion, polymer, and polyurethane. However, if we look at the carbon emissions released by a single sheet of paper when compared to the tablet per hour, you get 0.03 pounds and 0.04 pounds per hour respectively. Which indeed shows that the tablet is more efficient, considering one may take 1 to 3 pages of notes per hour. Thus, we can infer, when it comes to short-term, conventional paper is less sustainable. Despite this, both assets have negative effects, considering electronics are made from limited resources, and the logging of trees for paper impacts on multiple factors of the ecosystem, such as biodiversity and water purity. We should look at the long-term effects. A tablet is predicted to release a total of 231 pounds of carbon dioxide over its lifetime, including production, which is the equivalent of 7,700 sheets of conventional paper and an even larger 13,600 of recycled. So in conclusion, devices are less sustainable in the long term unless you have one already. Recycled paper is the way to go.